Okay, Leute, we are back, we are outside, and now we have to do a little walk back to the train station.
To the main station.
To the main station?
To the main station.
Main station?
To the main station.
Tim says main station.
But
Central station.
Another idea. Let's go to the red light district.
Oh no.
Yes, this is special for Jason. These are self-cleaning walkways.
What did you say?
This is for Jason. Self-cleaning walkways.
I think it was Brian saw this in London. Or didn't he? Don't know. Check out his videos. There in front we have the Go Park. The Go Park is one of the biggest discos in the north. Don't know exactly, but I think they have 7 areas in there.
Yes.
A main hall,
area, black hall,
a black hall, Kuhstall,
okay.
or something like that, where
Toilets,
they play Schlager music.
Second bathroom.
And that's in there, in this big building downtown Münster City.
Yeah, bedrooms, cinemas, again.
Yes, cinema.
Jail. No, not a jail, prison.
And well, over there, look at this. Ah, fantastic, it's LED.